Hey, it's Amy Castles, and today I wanted to show you how to get started with your Young Living journey. Young Living is not just about essential oils, it is a whole entire lifestyle. It's about changing out all the toxic chemicals that we use in our body, on our body, and around us, to switching them out to things that are so much better for ourselves, for our immune system, for our mood, for our hormones, for literally everything. So I'm going to show you how to get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to youngliving.com. Now, this is assuming that you are wanting to become a member. This video shows you how to sign up as a member. So you're going to go to youngliving.com, and then up at the top left, you're going to see the three bars, the three lines. You're going to click on that and click on Become a Member. It's going to bring you to the next page where you can become a member and get your discount. You get lots of discounts, so you already know what that is, I'm sure. Step one is going to be choose your starter kit. This is what you're going to need for becoming a Young Living member. Now, we have premium starter kits, and we also have some other premium starter kits like Ningxia Red, or maybe you wanted to do the Thieves Cleaner Bundle, or a little Welcome Home starter kit, a little smaller one. Maybe you wanted to do a little Ningxia Red starter kit, or CBD. Well, then you would click the other premium starter kits. Specialty kits would be if you wanted them in Spanish, or maybe an international plug-in or something like that, or even for military. So basic starter kit would be if you wanted to just build your own. You can buy this for $35, and that will give you all of these items right here on the screen. So let's assume that you want to get the premium starter kit with 12 oils in a diffuser with the Desert Mist diffuser. So if you wanted to do that, that's already clicked right here. So I just scroll down, and step two is if I would like to go ahead and start an Essential Rewards order. If you would like to start collecting products for your home and stop buying products from the mall and from Amazon and from the grocery store and all these places around town, well, you can purchase from Young Living and start from using an Essential Rewards enrollment, and that means that you can earn up to 25% back on your products. So that means basically as long as you spend $50 a month, then you can do Essential Rewards and get benefits for every one of your purchase. So you can go ahead and start that, and by clicking yes. If not, click no. We'll click no for now, and then we're going to continue on, or we can add more products. If I want to add more products, I would just click add more products. Let's say right now I do not want to add more products, so I just click next. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill out all my information. So you're going to put your name and your last name, middle name, address, all that kind of stuff, all that good stuff, and put that in there. And be sure to receive email and communication. That way you can keep up whenever there are specials and sales. They do that all the time. So you're going to click and make a sign-in information, your username. Keep in mind that your member number is also your username. You're going to need a password. It's going to need to start with a uppercase letter and have at least one number in it and be 8 characters. So confirm that. You'll need a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you choose something that you can remember, because anytime that you call in or do live help or email in, you'll need to include that 4-digit PIN. That way they know that it's you. So if you know that you are a person who is going to refer this product or refer Young Living Lifestyle to somebody else, then you're going to want to put your Social Security in there. That way they can send you a nice little referral bonus, and they have, of course, that has to be reported to our government, our lovely government. So you have to be sure to put your Social Security number. If not, just put individual, no Social Security number. If you'd like to purchase this under your business, then click Business, DBA, or LLC. You're going to want to make sure that you click that you were referred by a Young Living member. So click I was referred, and then enter in their number. This is where you're going to ask the person who told you about Young Living, what is your member number? And then you're going to put that in sponsor and enroller. Now, maybe they give you a number and they say, put this number for sponsor and put this number for enroller. Then that's good. Put those two numbers. That they can be one and the same, or they could be two different numbers, because maybe they're putting you in a specific organization or certain area of their business. So just talk to the person who sent you this video. Okay, and then you're going to click terms and conditions. So check that, and then you're going to continue on. You'll go to the payment page. You'll go to where it asks you for your shipping choice, and you are finished. That's it. Now keep in mind, if something ever goes wrong, up at the top right, you can click on Live Help, and it's going to bring you right here to Live Help. And let's say that I want to go ahead and get on Live Help. I will just enter in my name and click that I want English, and then start my chat, and I can immediately start chatting right here from my phone. It's perfect. I don't even have to call in. Okay, so that's it. That's all it takes. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.